From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of boring alarm clocks that just don't cut it? Look no further than the desktop clock furnishing office Pendulum desk by andthe, a game-changing timekeeper that's about to take your office decor to the next level. With its easy setup, you'll be up and running in no time, and the metal frame gives it a sturdy feel that's built to last. The king-size design makes a statement, and the elegant shape of branches and birds, along with the relief of dot line, highlights the style in a way that's sure to turn heads. The alloy bird's smooth lines are refreshing and happy, and when you combine that with the fully golden clock and bright crystal, you get a transparent and clear timepiece that's easy to read and creates a light atmosphere. The retro style takes you back to the 80s, making your home furnished with a high-end elegant atmosphere that's perfect for anyone looking to add a little sophistication to their space. And don't just take my word for it, thousands of customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's well reviewed for its unique blend of form and function. The golden clock with bright crystal is not just a timekeeper, it's a work of art that pays attention to color value and quality, giving your life a little more art. Whether you're looking to elevate your home office or add a touch of elegance to your living room, this desktop clock is the perfect choice, and with its unique features and benefits, it's no wonder it's a popular choice among those looking for a high-end alarm clock. So why settle for a boring, run-of-the-mill timekeeper when you can have a statement piece that's sure to spark conversations and add a touch of sophistication to your space? Get your hands on the desktop clock furnishing office Pendulum desk today and experience the difference for yourself. As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.